Welcome to Elbow RPI Euro 2024. This is the second game of Group F between Portugal and Czechia. Portugal is the strong favorite in this group, so anything other than a win will be an upset. The match will be starting soon. 2 versus 2, first team to 10 goals wins. And we have kicked off. And Portugal is the first to attack, open goal, and it's goal! Terrible defending from Czechia, leaving an open goal for a team like Portugal. 1-0 for Portugal, and they are on the attack again, and it's 2-0. The strikers smashed it into goal. 2-0 for Portugal. Oh, and a quick one from Czechia. Off the whistle, straight into goal. It's 2-1 for Portugal, and a long shot from Portugal from their side all the way into the opposite goal. 3-1 up for Portugal, who almost scoring there as well. And another near shot into goal. Czechia on the attack. Oh, what a terrible own goal. The defender dribbled it back all the way into his own goal. Well, Portugal is 4-1 up now. Oh, nice defending, nice clearance from the goal line, and nice counter-attack on the other side. These players are controlled by AI. The higher the country's FIFA World Ranking, the more games this AI gets to train on. Portugal is ranked 7 and their AI is trained on 1.8 million games. Czechia is ranked 39th and trained on 1.1 million games. Quite a significant difference, and Portugal should win this. And we join the game back at Portugal 5, Czechia 1. Portugal is on the attack again, almost scoring the dangerous times for Czechia, and it's a goal! Mistakes by the defender, creating an own goal. 6-1 up for Portugal, commanding a significant lead here. Tussling in the middle, almost scoring, and somehow they managed to get it onto the side of the goal. 6-2 for Portugal. Portugal attacking and running straight into goal without any defenders along the way. (7-2) for Portugal. Lots of tussle in the middle. Is the ball going to go anywhere? Yes, it is, but no one's picking it up. And Portugal on the attack, open goal, and guess what next? Straight into goal. Portugal is 8-2 up, a commanding lead, and Czechia put one back, a shot to the side of the goal. 8-3 up for Portugal, and it's 9-2 for Portugal. Well, it's match point from Portugal, and I don't see how Czechia can come back, especially with that an open goal. Just have to tap in. Well, that is all. It was a one-sided game and Portugal never looked threatened. They wrapped up this game in record time with Portugal 10, Czechia 3. This is the latest table in Group F. Portugal is through to the next stages. Czechia, on the other hand, still have a mathematical chance, but in practice, it's almost impossible. A question for the fans. Will Portugal top the table? Let us know in the comments below. Turkey and Georgia are up next. Subscribe to watch.